Well guys, today we will see how to open Revolut bank account online. At first, download the Revolut app at your device. Now, here you have to click on sign up button. Now select your country code and enter your mobile number or verification code sent to mobile. Just you have to verify that code. Now enter your country of residence. Then click on sign up with securely. Now enter your home address, continue, enter your first name and last name, again continue, and it asks your date of birth. By entering that data, click on continue. Now you have to enter your email ID. Then click on continue. Now takes your selfie, continue again. Just skip that option by clicking on note now. Now here it's asking the reason why you want to create a account. Just you have to select a suitable reason that satisfies you. Now set a passcode, re-verify your passcode. It asks a proof of residence for which you have to upload your documents mentioned over the screen. Just selecting any one of them you want to upload and upload the picture of your documents, and by clicking upload, successfully your account will be created and you got a virtual debit card which you can use for online transactions. Even it's asked to add money, just I don't want to add, so I click on note now option, and it is the main interface of our app from which we can use different services. I hope you will find this video informative. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.